Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are going to make a healthy, skinny version of sesame chicken. I think you are really going to love this recipe. We are using the Instant Pot. Be sure and give me a thumbs up. Hey, I would love to know, what's your favorite Chinese food? I love sesame chicken. It's probably one of my absolute all-time favorites. So, I've got some chicken thighs here that we are going to salt and pepper real quick. I am going fairly light on the salt since we're using soy sauce. But you do want to flavor your meat up just a little. Okay. I'm going to give that a toss up in our pan or bowl here. And then in my Instant Pot, I've got about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now, if you don't have sesame oil and you'd rather use olive oil or something like that, feel free. All right, we're going to dump our chicken in. This is going to come up to cook so incredibly fast. And you're basically just wanting to get the outside of your chicken crunchy or crispy, because you're not cooking it all the way through. We're going to pressure cook it and that'll finish cooking. When we pressure cook it, it only takes like 5 minutes and then it's done. It's all you need. To my chicken, before it's done, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of garlic or more. Garlic is really good for you guys. If you enjoy garlic, use it. And I'm also going to add a little bit of ginger. And we're going to give that a good stir. You want to cook that for 2 or 3 minutes, maybe just long enough to let it get good and fragrant. Alright, we're going to pull our chicken out real quick so we can make our sauce up. Okay. Alright, to this, I'm adding a 1/4 of a cup of chicken stock. Kind of scrape off all the bits on the bottom. And you glaze your pan a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 of a cup of honey. I'm using this instead of brown sugar. This is local raw honey that we picked up at a local nursery. I'm so excited about it. It's so good. Okay, and then I want to add a 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce. We're going to give that a good mix. Okay, and we're going to add our chicken back in. I'm also going to add a dash of rice wine vinegar. Okay. Alright, we're going to put the lid on it and we're going to pressure cook it for 5 minutes. That's all you need. And then we'll get our stuff that we're going to make with it ready and we'll meet you back here as soon as this is ready. Okay, our timer has went off. It's decompressed. I'm going to turn this back on saute, and we're going to thicken up our sauce. Okay, to do that, you need two tablespoons of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of water, and we're just going to make a little slurry out of it. Make sure it's good and mixed. Okay, we're going to pour that in and give everything a good stir. And then we're going to top it with sesame seeds. Okay, so this is how I like to make mine up. Start off with a bunch of steamed veggies. Stir fry them, but your veggies need to be your #1 kind of source. I've got a little bit of this rice lentil mix. Put that, a little bit of that in my plate, and then we're going to get some of this chicken. Okay, my friends, sesame chicken. I hope you will give this recipe a try. I think you're really going to like it. It's such a good, easy, quick dinner, and it's good and healthy for you as well. Thank you so much. Be sure and check out this other video where I am making chicken enchiladas, and we'll see you on the next video.